The high-speed cartoning machine is an automatic equipment that automatically loads bulk materials, bottles and instructions such as medicines, food, cosmetics, and daily necessities into folding carton and completes the lid action of the box. The high-speed cartoning machine is mainly based on the continuous working rod mechanism. The cartoning speed is about 100 to 250 boxes or min. Its advantages are stable operation, high efficiency, but also there are disadvantages. This mechanism is very targeted and has strict requirements for packaging materials.